Have you seen those weird little elf-like dolls with big eyes, pointy nose, and a mischievous smile? Some people say they're cute, others say they're creepy. But no matter what you think, they're everywhere. What if I told you that this doll was sold for $150,000? That's exactly what happened in Beijing, where a giant Labubu doll standing 131 centimeter tall was auctioned off for a jaw-dropping 1.08 million yuan. The strange-looking toy is called Labubu, and it's become a global obsession. From celebrities like Rihanna and Kim Kardashian to fans lining up for hours in Shanghai and London, Labubu is now more than just a toy. It's a phenomenon. But how did this odd doll take over the world? Let's dive into the surprising story behind Labubu. Labubu is a character from the toy series called The Monsters. Created by Hong Kong-born artist Kijang Lung, the Hong Kong-born artist took cues from folklore and mythology he became familiar with when he was growing up in Netherlands to create the characters. In 2015, he made storybooks featuring chaotic but kind monsters. The doll doesn't have any deep meaning behind its name. It's just a fun fictional character. With a plush body, virile face, 9 little teeth, and a grin that's both cute and creepy. The toy is sold by Popart, a Chinese toy company now worth 40 billion US dollars, with profits expected to jump 350% this year, all because of one odd-looking monster doll. And Labubu is not alone. It has friends like Zimomo, Taikoko, and Mokoko, characters from the same universe that also have their own collectible dolls. Popart started as a small store in Beijing back in 2010, but things changed when they started selling blind boxes, toys you buy without knowing exactly which one you're getting until you open it. It's like a surprise every time. In 2019, Popart teamed up with Kijang Lung to sell Labubu. That's when things really took off. Popart was selling its share on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, and in just 1 year, their stock value jumped by 500%. Today, Popart has over 2,000 vending machines called RoboShops spread across the globe. From the US to Singapore, you can find the Labubu dolls in stores and online. In 2024, nearly 40% of Popart sale came from outside China. But the demand has gone so wild that some stores have paused sales just to catch up. But what is the reason for this hype? See, Labubu comes in all sorts of variants, different colors, costumes, and even special seasonal editions. But here's the catch. They are sold in blind boxes. That means you won't know which one you have got until you open it. Every unboxing feels like a mini lottery. And if you're really lucky, you might get the secret variant, the rarest of the bunch. The little mystery turned every purchase into a fun surprise. And the fans love it so much, they started recording and sharing unboxing videos online. Adding to the excitement, Popart doesn't flood the market. They release new dolls in small, limited batches. This led to long lines, early morning shoppers, and stores selling out within minutes. And all of it fueled the craze further. Because when something is so hard to get, everyone wants one. Fakes are flooding eBays, nicknamed Lafufus, and Chinese authorities have already seized over 46,000 counterfeit dolls. Labubu's journey to global fame didn't happen overnight. After the pandemic, many people were looking for comfort, fun, and a little bit of chaos. Labubu, with its quirky and imperfect design, became the symbol of something playful and relatable. The trend started in China, then spread to Southeast Asia, and eventually caught fire around the world. One big boost came from Lisa of Blackpink, who posted pictures with Labubu dolls in early 2024. That was just the beginning. Soon Rihanna was seen with a Labubu clip to her Louis Vuitton bag. Kim Kardashian showed off her collection. Even David Beckham posted about it after his daughter gave him one. With celebrities leading the way, fans everywhere joined in. Social media exploded with unboxing videos, Labubu fashion, and collector tips. Suddenly, these dolls are popping up on handbags, office desks, and gift lists all over the world. So why do people love Labubu so much? Part of it is the mystery. Buying a blind box feels like a game. You never know which character you will get. Some collectors even shake boxes to guess what's inside. Others love how unique Labubu looks. It's not perfect, it's not traditional, but it feels personal. And prices starting as low as $18, it's still affordable, at least before resale prices shoot up. Labubu isn't just a cute toy, It's also a symbol of modern Chinese creativity. The Chinese government sees its success as a win for the country's cultural image. Alongside games like Black Myth, Wukong, and movies like Neza, Labubu shows that Chinese-made art and entertainment can go global and go viral. Whether you think Labubu is lovable or plain weird, one thing is clear, it's not going away anytime soon. What started as a strange little monster has become a worldwide collectible, a fashion accessory, and a cultural icon. It taps into a love for surprise, our need for fun, and the thrill of collecting something unique.